Hello everyone, today we're going to see how to contact Revolut Customer Support. Firstly, you can do it via the in-app chat. Open the Revolut app on your phone and tap your profile icon in the top right corner. Scroll down and select Help, then New Chat. Type in your issue and send it. You're still at first. Get Rita, Revolut's chatbot. If Rita can't resolve your issue, type Live Agent to connect to a human support agent. Also, you can do it via website by going to the Revolut Help Center and browse FAQs or click Get Help to start a chat. And finally, you can do it via phone or telephone. Revolut doesn't offer full phone support, but if your card is lost or stolen, you can still call their automated phone line at 4420-3322-8352. This line is for card freezing and blocking only. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.